campers here, I would like to show you the fantastic new kitchen and pantry areas on our FF1. Firstly, the kitchen is so easy to roll out. You have this big extension that makes a huge prep area, and you just open up the back here for a wind break, and then ready to roll. These drawers, you have a drawer for all of your cutlery and things, bits and pieces in the back. You've got a huge drawer here for all of your bibs and bobs that you need to do all your prep. And you've got an extra bit of storage under the sink as well. And here we've got the fantastic condiments area, which this bench also doubles as another prep area or a bench area, because I don't know about you, I always need a lot of bench area when I'm cooking. But the great thing is you can get all of your bits and pieces out of here as you need them. They're all close to hand, so you can use them straight away. But when you're not using it, just simply close the door. And the light, this is a fantastic thing. This light goes all the way along your cooking area. Rather than having a light just here, you can see all the way to the end. So we put the pot on here. We've got a 1 kilowatt, a 1.5 kilowatt and a 2 kilowatt burner. So I've got enough space here to have my big pot on here, a medium-sized pot or a kettle here, and I even have space for a little pot or my little coffee percolator. And when it comes to serving up, I've got heaps of room on this extra fold-out bench that is completely flat. It goes all the way across here. I can also bring out my big pot. It's nice and sturdy, it's not going to go anywhere, and I have everything at my fingertips. Over here we have the fridge slide and main pantry. Firstly, there's a little drawer that you can pull out. You don't have to pull out the whole drawer. And I like to put all of my cooking bits and pieces and spices and bits and pieces in there, just so that they're really easy to get. But then the drawer itself is really easy to pull out. Just simply pull it out. Full access to your fridge and to the full pantry. This lid also doubles as another prep area, so you can keep all of your bits and pieces straight from your fridge and chop them here straight over to your kitchen. You've got an area here where you can keep your plates and your cups and glasses and things, so it's a nice easy area there. Then you've got what I call the gift that keeps on giving. This is the huge pantry area. So we can fit so many boxes in here that I will just keep on stacking. I still haven't got to the end. And finally, I've got a fry pan in there as well as all of those things. Packing up doesn't get any easier than this. You just unplug your light, close down your lids and your windbreak, fold over your extra bench. There's a latch under here, you lift that and in she slides. And I'm ready to go.